Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the human reproduction part 5 previous NEET multiple choice questions with the explanation. For more updates on biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay. Now we have to discuss about next question, that is question number 32. In question number 32, they given that about which day in a normal human menstrual cycle does rapid secretion of LH normally occurs. Okay, if you see the menstrual cycle start from first day and end with the 28th or 29th day. The duration of menstrual cycle is 28 or 29 days. If you see in these 28 to 29 days, at 14th day, correct, at middle of a cycle in normal menstrual cycle, at 14th day we can see the rapid increase of LH. See here, LH levels are increased very rapidly. This is called LH surge, which is used for the ovulation. Here they asked on which day LH surge occurs, that is 14th day. Option A is correct. Next question number 33, the second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs. The second maturation division in mammalian ovum occurs after the completion of fertilization only. Hence option B is correct. Until after the ovum has been penetrated by the sperm. When sperm is enter into the ovum, then only the meiosis 2 or second maturation division is completed, and then which leads to the formation of the second polar body and mature ovum. Okay, if you see the oogenesis in females, oogenesis will start before birth and complete after the entry of sperm into the ovum. Next question number 34, which one of the following statement about human sperm is correct? Option B is correct. The sperm lysins in the acrosome dissolve the egg envelope which facilitate the fertilization. If you see the structure of sperm which contain acrosome, this is the acrosome. These acrosome contain lysine enzymes. These lysine enzymes dissolve the envelopes or the membranes of egg, which leads to the entry of sperm into the ovum. That is about the question number 34. After that we have to discuss about question number 35. Question number 35 is, which one of the following is the correct matching of the events occurring during the menstrual cycle? Which one of the, here they given the events of menstrual cycle and what happened in that particular phase. We should identify which is the correct. Option B is correct. Development of corpus luteum. Okay, development of corpus luteum. If you see the menstrual cycle, corpus luteum is developed from the Graafian follicle after the ovulation. After the ovulation, remaining parts of Graafian follicle is become into corpus luteum. Then they secrete secretory phase and increase the secretion of progesterone, which leads to formation of secretory phase, and then this secretory phase release the progesterone. Secretory phase corpus luteum will release the progesterone. Option B is correct for 35 question. Question number 36. Okay, question number 36, the correct sequence of spermatogenic stages leading to the formation of sperm in a mature human testis. They ask what is the correct sequence of spermatogenesis. See, spermatogonia become into spermatocytes, then spermatocytes become into spermatids become into spermatozoa. Hence option A is correct. Spermatogonia become into spermatocyte become into spermatids become into sperms. That is question number 36. After the question number 36, okay, until question number 36 we have to discuss now. Remaining we will discuss in next video. For more updates on the biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the previous NEET bits which are belongs to human reproduction. It is the part 6. Okay. We have to discuss now question number 37. Which one of the following is the most likely root cause why menstruation is not taking place regularly? Regularly cycling in human female. See, menstrual cycle is not taken in a cyclic way because of fertilization. When fertilization is occurs, then there is no menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is stopped after the fertilization. Hence, option D is correct for question number 37. Next, question number 38. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiated into the in humans after second meiotic division, the primary spermatocyte. 1 minute, ma. In humans, at the end of the first meiotic division, not second meiotic division. In humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiated into. After first meiotic division, if you see here, after first meiotic division, this is first meiotic division, the primary spermatocytes are become into secondary spermatocyte. Then you can see the formation of secondary spermatocytes after the first meiotic division. Hence, question number 38, option B is correct. Next, we have to discuss about the question number 39. Okay, question number 39. Which one of the following statement is incorrect about the menstruation? Option B is incorrect. The menstrual fluid can easily clot. Okay, the menstrual fluid is easily clot. It is wrong. Menstrual fluid will not easily clot, or which will not easily become into solid, because which contain fibrinolysin. Fibrinolysin will prevent the clotting of menstrual fluid. Menstrual fluid means the fluid which is comes through the vagina during the menstruation. Next, question number 40. In the human female, menstruation can be defined by the administration of okay, can be deferred. In human females, menstruation can be deferred by the administration of a combination of estrogen and progesterone. Okay, that is 40 question. 48th question. Next, question number 41. Withdrawal of which of the following hormones is the immediate cause of menstruation? Progesterone. The menstruation in endometrium. Endometrium is maintained by the progesterone. Hence, if progesterone is removed, then it will leads to the rupturing of endometrium. That is about question number 41. Okay, thank you. For more updates on the biology, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, welcome to Lakshman Biology. Now we have to discuss about the human reproduction part 7 previous NEET multiple choice question with the explanation. Now we have to discuss about the question number 42. Question number 42. If mammalian ovum fails to get fertilized, which one of the following is unlikely? Okay, option C is correct. Estrogen secretion further decreases. This option C is wrong. If they asked a question, if fertilization is not happens in the following events, which is not happen? Option C will not happen. If there is no fertilization, estrogen secretion further not decrease. Okay, developing follicles will produce the estrogen, hence estrogen secretion will not decrease. Next, question number 43. After ovulation, the collapsed ovarian follicle shrinks and becomes filled with cell to form corpus luteum. Okay, they asked after the ovulation, the remaining parts of Graafian follicles are converted into. Answer is corpus luteum. See, ovulation occurs at 14th day of menstrual cycle. After ovulation, the remaining parts of Graafian follicle are converted into corpus luteum. Hence, option A is correct for question number 43. Next, we have to discuss about question number 44. The growth of corpus luteum is initiated by. Option C is correct. Here, the formation of corpus luteum from the remaining parts of Graafian follicle is